You don't get rewarded for taking risk, you get rewarded for buying cheap assets. And if the assets you bought got pushed up in price simply because they were risky, then you are not going to be rewarded for taking a risk. You are going to be punished for it. I believe the only things that really matter in investing are the bubbles and the busts. Investment bubbles and high animal spirits do not materialize out of thin air. They need extremely favorable economic fundamentals together with free and easy, cheap credit, and they need it for at least 2 or 3 years. Importantly, they also need serial pleasant surprises in such critical variables as global GNP growth. Volatility is a symptom that people have no idea of the underlying value that they have stopped playing the asset game. They're not buying because it's a company with certain attributes. They're buying because the price is rising. People are playing games not related to any concept at all of what the long-term value of the enterprise is. And they know it. The investment business has taught me, increasingly as the years have passed, that people, especially investors, and, I believe, Americans, prefer good news and wishful thinking to bad news. And that there are always vested interests to offer facile, optimistic alternatives to the bad news. I would say that financial markets are very inefficient, and capable of extremes of being completely dysfunctional. Ridiculous as our market volatility might seem to an intelligent Martian, it is our reality, and everyone loves to trot out the quote attributed to Keynes, but never documented. The market can stay irrational longer than the investor can stay solvent. For us agents, he might better have said, the market can stay irrational longer than the client can stay patient. Profit margins are probably the most mean-reverting series in finance, and if profit margins do not mean-revert, then something has gone badly wrong with capitalism. If high profits do not attract competition, there is something wrong with the system and it is not functioning properly.